Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about a practice problems based on empirical formula. Now let's check the problem. The percentage proportion of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen in an organic compound are 62.07%, 10.34%, 14%, 13.59% respectively. Find its empirical formula. If its molecular mass is 144 gram per mole, then find out its molecular formula. So first, recap the concept of empirical formula and molecular formula. Molecular formula gives the actual number of atoms of each element which present in a compound. But empirical formula is the simplest form of formulas. It shows the smallest number of atoms present in the molecule, but actually it's not giving the real number of atoms which present in the molecule. Now let's take an example. This is the ester molecule. So here molecular formula will be C3H6O2. Now empirical formula will be the simplest form of formula where the smallest number of atoms present in the molecule. So if we divided each number by 2, then we can see C is 1.5, hydrogen 3, and oxygen is 1. Means all the subscript you can see carbon is 1.5, hydrogen 3, and oxygen 1. So this is the empirical formula and this one is the molecular formula. Now first step for this practice problem, we should know what is the atomic mass of each element, and from this atomic mass we have to find out the number of moles present in this particular compound. Now carbon, the 62.07% has been given. So this is the weight. So 62.07 divided by 12 which give you the mole, that is 5.17. Similarly, we can find out the mole of hydrogen. So 10.34% has been given divided by hydrogen atomic mass 1. So it is 10.34. Similar way we can find out the nitrogen and oxygen. Now let's make it a whole number. So it is approximately 5, this is 10, and these two are nitrogen 1 and oxygen 1. Then empirical formula will be C5H10NO. Next, now we have to find out the molecular formula from the empirical formula. So to find out the molecular formula from the empirical formula, first we have to find out the mass from the empirical formula. So this is the mass of the empirical formula. Now molecular mass has been given, that is 144. So we have to find out the ratio of the molecular mass divided by formula mass, means 144 divided by 100, which is giving you 1.44. So now if you multiply this empirical formula C5H10NO with this 1.44, that will be your molecular formula. So now if we just rounded off this 1.44 into the whole number, so it will be coming 1. So that means you have to multiply the empirical formula with the 1. So that means here empirical formula and molecular formula is same. Hope you understand the explanation and how to find out the empirical formula, and from the empirical formula how to find out the molecular formula. That concept is clear. Thank you for watching my video. If you found that my video is helpful for your study, then watch it, share it, and subscribe my channel Chemistry Affinity. If you have any queries related to chemistry, you can send me a mail chemistry.affinity@gmail.com.